Let's go somewhere special. Mastering adverbs of place and adjectives in English. Hello, English learners. Today, we're embarking on a journey to expand your English vocabulary and improve your conversation skills. We will be diving into the exciting world of adverbs of place plus adjective collocations, and we're zeroing in on how to use somewhere with adjectives. This is going to be really fun and useful, so let's get started. Somewhere is an adverb of place. It refers to a place, but it doesn't specify exactly where. It's often used when the precise location is not important, unknown, or understood from the context. But today, we will learn how to use it with adjectives to give more nuance and variety to your expressions. Somewhere can be paired with adjectives to describe an unspecific location in a more detailed way. Let's take a look at some examples. 1. Let's go somewhere quiet. This phrase means we want to go to a place that's peaceful and calm, but the speaker doesn't specify where. 2. She's somewhere safe now. In this case, the speaker assures that a person is in a secure location, without disclosing the exact place. See the pattern? The adjective after somewhere describes the kind of place we are talking about. Let's practice making sentences with somewhere and various adjectives. 1. Somewhere interesting. I'd love to visit somewhere interesting this summer. 2. Somewhere far. He moved somewhere far to escape the hustle and bustle of the city. 3. Somewhere peaceful. After retiring, my grandparents decided to live somewhere peaceful. 4. Somewhere warm. In winter, many people dream of vacationing somewhere warm. These examples should give you a clear idea of how somewhere is used with adjectives. Great job! Today we've mastered how to use somewhere with adjectives in English. Remember, this technique can add a layer of mystery and intrigue to your conversations. You now know how to express yourself when you want to describe a type of place without specifying exactly where it is. Keep practicing and using this pattern in your everyday conversation, and you'll become a pro in no time. As always, I hope this video has been helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Until then, keep practicing, and happy learning.